Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download Fortnite on an Android. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. As Fortnite isn't available in the Play Store, here's how you can get it. So first of all, we will need to go and open up our settings. So open your settings up, and then what you need to do is go and scroll down until you see the option for apps and go and click on it. And then what you need to do is go and find Chrome just here. And what we need to do is go and scroll down to install unknown apps and switch this on. And then what we need to do is come out of our settings, and we then need to go and open up Chrome. And what you need to do is go and search for Epic Games. Epic Games is where we can download Fortnite from. I've now searched for it and just go to the website. Go to the top left and click on Epic Games, and under Play click on Fortnite. And then what you want to do is go and click on Play Now, and we'll see the options. What you need to do is click on Download on Android. You'll go and get this pop up. As I have already downloaded it, that's why it is showing download again. But in your case, it will show download. And what you need to do is click on Open Now, and then it's going to go and say, would you like to install the Epic Games Store? As I have already installed it, that's why Update button is showing. Press on Update, it's now updated. Click on Open, and then what you need to do is find Fortnite. So it's right at the top here. Go and click on it, and then click on Install and wait. After the download is finished, you will be able to play the game. So that's basically how you can download Fortnite on an Android. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.